Follow Slendom AI for free AI tutorials and tools, prompts, and insights. Thank you.
Alright, in this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to create viral baby dancing videos like the one you can see now. So without wasting time, let us go. Well, the first thing you need to do is open the ChatGPT and attach an image that you want to copy from, or the image of the baby you want to use. And there are so many ways you can generate the image apart from this method I'm about to show you now. Okay, you can use any image generating AI tool to generate your image, or you can also copy an image that someone else has used and use it just the way I am going to show you now. You can modify it and then use it. Okay, you can modify it and use it just this way. So I will tap and upload the photo that one of my students in the WhatsApp group used, and I'm going to show you how you can generate your own version of that same photo so that it will become original to you. So under photo, okay, so I have uploaded the photo this way, and now I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create me a version, another version of this image, a generic version maintaining the style and this particular attire. Or if I don't want this particular attire, I will just put in my own attire. So I'm going to put a prompt like create me a version of this image where she is standing in front of an African hut with trees in view. Okay, with trees in view at the background. Okay, now get me wet. Okay, I can go ahead and put the dressing, okay, the attire. So she is dressed in a lovely Igbo attire with beads and braided hair. So I'm going to change the hairstyle now. If I want the baby to look like an African baby, I can go ahead and indicate that here. Okay, let the baby resemble a typical African beautiful baby or something like that with braided hair. Now I'll go ahead and send this, and ChatGPT will create it for us. And you can do this from scratch also. You can tell ChatGPT to create you an image of a baby, dancing in a, just describe the image, and ChatGPT will go ahead and create the image for you. Another thing you can do is to input the size. So because I'm going to upload this on TikTok, I'm going to say size 9 by 16. That's what it is, 9 by 16. So size is 9 by 16. Good. So I'm going to send this, and ChatGPT will go ahead and create the image for us. And just like I've said before, there are so many ways you can get your image. So the main thing is you must get your image ready. Okay, now ChatGPT has gone ahead to generate these two beautiful images for us. And before we continue, let me tell you this: you may need to do this more than once to get the best image that you want. Sometimes AI tools may not give you exactly what you want at first attempt, and you may need to do it over and over again. So these are the two images it has generated for us, and it wants us to pick the one that we want. So look at this one. Let's look at this one. Wow, this is beautiful. And this is the second one. These are beautiful images, but it didn't give us this one. Now the leg is missing, and this one too. Okay, the hands are okay, the legs are missing, but I can still go back and do something. Okay, so ChatGPT did not give me what I wanted, so I decided to rephrase the same prompt that I gave it before. So I now said, give me a different pose with her hands on her waist. Make sure the full body is well framed in the image so that the hands and legs appear in the image without being cut off. And now it went ahead to give me this one with everything visible. So this is okay for what we want to do. I'll go ahead and tap save there in order to save it in my gallery. Okay, so let's wait for it to be saved. So it has been saved. Meanwhile, before we continue, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like and share the video, and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Okay, now let's go. And another thing I did was also to use a different style to generate this same image. Let me show you how I did that. So I uploaded the image we created earlier. Now I asked ChatGPT to describe the image for me, and this can be any image. Once you get your image, use this same method. Describe this image for me, giving me a prompt I can use to generate exactly this image. And then ChatGPT will go ahead and describe the image, and then it will include a prompt, and this is the prompt. So all I need to do is just copy the prompt like this. So copy the whole of the prompt like this to this point, and then go and paste it to generate an image for us. Now after we have generated our image, the image we want to use, okay, I have been explaining how you can get your images. Now after we've gotten the image, the next thing we need to do is to get a video, because what we are going to do is use an AI tool to make the image do exactly what the person in the video is doing. So once you get your video, the next step is for you to get your video, and you can do that by going to TikTok or Facebook and getting your video, or even YouTube. So once you get your video, there are some certain things that you need to know. What are those things? The tool we are going to use does not accept a video that is longer than 30 seconds. So you need to make sure that your video is 30 seconds. And how are you going to do that? I'm going to show you. So I'm going to open CapCut now, and I'm going to use CapCut to cut down a video that I have already prepared. I will cut it down. That video is 50 something seconds. So I'm going to cut it down to 30 seconds. So let's go. Now before we go, let's see the image. Let's see. Okay, sorry, I'm going to open a new chat, and we use a new chat for it. So I'll just open a new chat, and I will tap to paste the prompt that I just copied before. So let me read the prompt to see. I'll say create me. So I will put create me a hyper detailed 3D pixel style realistic render of a smiling African toddler. So create me an image. So I'll include image there so that you know that it is what I want to create is an image. So let me read through again. Create me an image. Create me a hyper realistic rendering of, okay, that's okay. So we go, and let's see if we will start creating the image for us. So it now starts creating the image for us. Now let's go to CapCut and cut the video, and then so that it will be within 30 seconds. We tap on new video, and then I will upload the video that I want to use. So now that I have uploaded the video, as you can see from there that the video is 56 seconds. So I need to cut it off. So I'm going to look for where she starts dancing, and I'll cut it off from there. So I will go this like this. She has not started. Okay, she starts dancing from here like this. So I'm going to cut it off from there, and that gives me how many minutes now? So I'm going to go again and just cut off the part that I don't really want. Okay, so I will go, and then okay, so from here I will tap on it, and I will choose split. Then I will delete the part that I don't really want, so I'll delete it. So I have, it's still 31 seconds. I'll come to the beginning again, reduce it. 30 seconds, I'll come again, reduce it. 29 now. So once I am done, I'll tap here to export my video. Now I will export it, and then we'll go to the next tool which we are going to use. Okay, now that we have gotten our video and we have gotten our image character of the baby, the next thing is for us to animate it. And to do that, just open your browser and open a new tab and go to Higgsfield and type in Higgsfield and search for it. The first one that shows up here, tap on it and open it. So once you're opening it, you're probably going to see an interface like this. Go ahead and tap on try for free and log in or create a new account. And once you are done with that, answering some questions that they will be asking you, okay, I don't want to go through all those processes because it may take our time, but it is not hard. Just follow suit, and at the end you're going to come to this interface. Okay, all you need to do is just scroll up like this and scroll like this, and you see motion control. Tap on there. Okay, the moment you sign in, you sign up on this particular AI, they are going to give you some credits for you to use to generate some videos daily for free. Okay, so the first thing is for us to add our motion to copy video, which is the video that we've just made, and the next one is for us to add our character. So I'm going to do all these things now. Okay, so as you can see here, I've added a video, I've added the character, and under model you must make sure that click motion control is selected, and under quality you can tap and select the best quality there, which is 1080. Okay, then if you like, you can include a prompt. If you like, you can use your prompt like that, but if you want to include a prompt, just put a simple prompt like let the character in the image mimic exactly the action of the character in the video, something like that, if you want to do that. And another thing I'll let you know in this video is that I'm going to mute the sound at the end of the day because of copyright issues. Okay, so that I don't get a copyright strike, but the method is just the same. After you produce your video, you can overlay with any sound, but make sure that the sound you are using is copyright free. Okay, or the social media where you're posting it will not strike you for copyright. Okay, so now it has finished uploading the video, and you can see generate here is now active. So until it finishes uploading everything, it will not be active. Just tap on there to start creating. Sometimes it takes time because it is free. Okay, if you like this tool, which I think you should, you can go ahead and subscribe. It is not too expensive. Okay, so just go ahead and tap on generate to start generating, and it will give you time. It will tell you that it is on queue. So now our video is ready, and you can see the amazing work it has done. So this is how to create these viral dancing videos using this free AI tool. Let me know what you think about in the comment section, and also let me know if there's any other um tutorial you would want me to make. Okay, also subscribe to this channel so that you get tutorials like this. Set the notification button so that you don't miss out when I post videos like this. Until next video, see you. My name is Kelechi. Bye.